Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 11th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir down 48 cents, 4.04% at 11.39. Post-market, we are even Steven. This is disappointing today because yesterday we were so close to breaking 1194 and we just did not do it. Of course, we did not have stochastic at over 60. So if we had broken it, we would have liked stochastic to climb a little bit higher. I don't know if it would have done it. I have my doubts on it, but it was possible. But today we have a red candle starting from 1194 and came down basically to the same low as we had yesterday. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So we opened pretty much where we closed yesterday, tried to break 1194 during the day and then came straight down. And then basically we're undecided sideways. And for the last 2 hours, the stock decided to go down and we lost the stochastic over 60. The stock showing that the stock was really going down. So that's a little bit of a disappointing Friday. I would have liked Palantir to go over 1194. So let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 36. MACD is even increasing. Look at this. The distance between the blue line and the orange line is increasing. So this is showing an increase in bullishness. So not all is lost. Let's keep some hope. And yes, we have RSI coming down a little bit, but still above this upward trend of relative strength. So these are the only two straws I can grab onto. And I try to give you both sides of the coin always, and then you make your own decisions. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. This will encourage me to continue doing what I do. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this tool and save some money doing it. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Sunday for my members and on Monday for everybody else. À la prochaine.